Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I took a little break during the summer, but during that break I was able to go to the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo in Georgia, and I picked up this beautiful die from Our Daily Bread Designs, and it's called a beverage cup. And as you can see, it has all these cute little pieces, and I decided to create coffee cups out of foam sheets. So that's today's project. So are you ready? So let's get started. So here I already cut all my foam sheets with my die, my new die, and my die cutting machine. I use different colors. Now for the backing of the cup, I do recommend you use a stiff felt. Here I'm going to start inking the edges of all the pieces except the piece of the lid and the straw. You could also use your fingers to just smudge out that ink and just give it that smoky dimensional look. Now I'm going to start to glue all my pieces together with Super Tight All-Purpose Universal Glue. If you're interested in this glue, just see my affiliate link below, and you also get a coupon code. Now I'm ready to completely glue it all together. Now in this step, you will add glue on the edge of that whipped cream. Just allow it to give it a few more minutes, and then you're going to completely glue it on. Here I'm going to add a little dimension to that heart, so I'm going to use my flat iron. This is completely optional. I just want that heart to be a little bit raised and puffed, so I'm going to use this hot iron and just place it onto my coffee cup. And these coffee cups are pretty much done. They were so easy, so if you can get a chance to buy this die, go ahead, visit Our Daily Bread Designs. This is not an affiliate link. I just really enjoy their product, and I decided to use this on my traveler's notebook. There's so many things you could do with this coffee cup, and here I just added a little bit of Velcro and some felt so it could attach to the elastic cord. Now I will have some of these pieces available in my Etsy shop in case you're interested. I'm going to show you my next how I packaged it, because I did submit this to Anchor Life 5. She's another YouTuber. If you want to visit her channel, I'll leave her link below too. And here is the way I finished my packaging. It is super cute. And I will also have some of these available in my Etsy shop, like I said earlier. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to visit me on Facebook and Instagram, and also just visit my Etsy shop. And if you're interested in Super Tight adhesive, go ahead and see the link below. Thanks for spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll be using more dies now, so I can't wait. Comment below, tell me what you think. I would like to start to showcase my viewers. Well, until next time, and God bless. Bye.